In today's video, I'm going to tell you a website where you can play Minecraft on your browser for free, entirely free, and it feels illegal to know. So just open your browser and head straight to this URL, g.deev.is. Once you head to this website, just select the second option. It redirects you to a page where you can play the Minecraft version entirely for free. Once you click on play, it'll load certain textures and the audio onto your browser itself, and you can play the entire game just from here. So best part is you can also play multiplayer games where you can add your friends and play with them. So as you can see, I can join any server and start playing with anyone. It is just like the normal Minecraft version, standalone version, but it is much faster since it's already preloaded for you on the online browser. So if this video reaches 1000 views, then I'll be posting another exciting game that you can play on your browser for free. So do get subscribed and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you all for watching.